I would highly recommend him and his staff for legal work of this nature. Well, I was living up in New York and decided to take a plunge to live down here in Florida. I bought a place here in Delray Beach and realized that I wanted to put the place I bought in trust for my daughter so I don't have any problems. If, God forbid, something happens to me, he would have no problem in taking over ownership of this property. Well, I was happy with what I heard initially when I spoke to him and explained what I was looking for. He came across as knowing his business, knowing what to do and how to get this trust written. Made me feel good. Made me feel like he knew what he was going to do and how he was going to do it. Price-wise, he was, in the ballpark for what I thought it should cost. I had a meeting with him, went to meet him. He was very pleasant. His staff was very pleasant and friendly, and I was impressed with his knowledge. And let's go. Let's do this. Had everything prepared for me when we met at his offices. Paperwork was ready to go. He explained everything to me, what he was doing and how he was going to handle everything, and made me feel comfortable that my daughter and my grandchildren, who I named in some of this paperwork, were well covered. I would highly recommend him and his staff for legal work of this nature. I feel comfortable now that what I needed Andy for is taken care of, and God forbid when something happens, if anything happens to me, my daughter is well covered. She won't have to go through many legal steps to take control of this apartment. And that's what it's for, because I know she lives in New York. I know for a fact that there could be some legal ramifications if I didn't have this trust drawn up. She would have had a hard time getting possession of the apartment when I do pass on.